Tropical storm Krosa is expected to bring heavy rain to northern Japan through Saturday, raising risks of landslides, strong winds and high waves. The storm barreled through western Japan on Thursday, killing at least 2 people and injuring 49.
Well, according to Japan's Met agency, Krosa is expected to approach Japan's northernmost prefecture of Hokkaido tomorrow. And up to 250 millimeters of rain is forecast in the 24-hour period through noon on Saturday. Strong winds are also expected in these regions.
Meanwhile, in western and eastern Japan, strong winds are still being observed. Some areas of western Japan have had up to 800 millimeters of rain. More than 200 people died in torrential rains and flooding in parts of western Japan in 2018, areas that could also be hit by severe rains from Krosa.